Hey guys, so this is the wheel bearing removal of my 2004 four-wheel drive lifted Nissan Titan. I found a few videos online on YouTube, but none of them were this easy. Some of them had you take off the whole CV axle or the actual knuckle itself, which isn't necessary. I found this method on a forum, titantalk.com, so hope you enjoy. Right now, I took the wheel off and I took the brake caliper. The brake caliper is actually sitting right there. It's zip tied to the upper control arm. And I'm going to take the axle nut off right now. So dikes here to take off the cotter pin. And this stuff is pretty rusted. I only have like 40,000 miles on my truck, but I've been plenty of off-road on it. So I'm just gonna remove the cotter pin. Okay. It's on there. Okay, so the cotter pin is out now. Axle nut. So that should just come out here. We removed one stud. I'm going to remove the other stud. Now I'm going to remove the 3 bolts that hold the hub assembly to the actual knuckle. I have a breaker bar here. It's Pittsburgh, super cheap, hopefully holds up, and a 21mm socket. So here goes nothing. I've already wrong way. Alright, there's one is loose. So we use a breaker bar to get it loose. With my thumb, I'm actually moving the axle through the hub assembly. This universal joint will work and save some time. Not bad. Came out pretty easy. Now for the other sides. So if you can see, there's 2 more bolts. One right here and then one right there. I've already soaked them in PB Blaster. I'm gonna get my breaker bar again and break this one loose. It's coming loose here. Okay, so now for this last top bolt. It's gonna be kind of hard to get to. I don't know exactly how to do it. But I'm gonna try to slide the axle in. There we go. And it won't turn because it's butted up right against the housing. There we go. And just be careful of your CV boot. Alright, third one is out. Time to now get the hub out. And I'm wondering if it'll come out by just smacking it. And if that doesn't work, I have a special tool. Nope, not gonna work. Long bolts, they are 1/2 inch, and I previously hammered 2 of these studs out on opposite sides of each other, 180 degrees, so you can see I have one right here and one right here. It's threaded all the way through. It's butting up against the knuckle, and I just have a washer and a nut at the end. And hopefully you can see here, I'll tighten up this one with, and then hold it with just a crescent wrench. And it is backing it out, so I'm going to do a little bit on that side. Come here and do a little bit on that side. Come here and tighten this one. Tighten that one. And it looks like it's coming out pretty easily. I think it's already out. And that was easy as hell. Axle. So we're going to clean this up with maybe a wire brush and some sandpaper. And then we're going to install our new Timken bearing. Nice, new and fresh. This comes there. Just plugging the sensor back in. So slap the new clip on there like so. A little more slack to this one. Okay, perfect.